Have you ever wondered why any serious company will want to build its metaverse on a pre-existing platform like Sandbox, Decentraland, or Bloktopia? Why would they, if they can just build theirs and have full control? Welcome to the Metaverse Script. Here, researchers are dedicated to helping you make informed decisions through clear, unbiased, non-sponsored research into metaverse projects, updates, news, metaverse-related NFTs, and tokens. Before we answer that itching question, here are some real-world adoption of pre-existing metaverses right now. JP Morgan took the lead in the banking industry to delve into the metaverse by buying a plot and building in the sandbox. Samsung launched on the sandbox. Others include Nike, Spotify, Snoop Dogg, to mention a few, who have all done something in the metaverse. None have, however, made a substantial move to commit sensitive features or resources to these metaverse platforms, probably due to the immaturity of the tech. But it is for this same reason we believe their current venture into these platforms is experimental and can only be short-lived. On the other hand, here are those who have delved into the metaverse but choosing to go on their own terms, developing their own metaverse worlds. Qatar has launched its own metaverse dubbed QVerse. Man City became the first football club to launch into the metaverse, but by building their own platform. Volkswagen launched Game On, their own metaverse project. MasterCard hasn't exactly built something as far as we know, but have registered several metaverse-related patents. If only for the sake of data privacy or intellectual property, any serious company or organization will rather build their own metaverse. This will ensure they can offer unique experiences to their customers, also securing their own competitiveness in the industry. Think what the consequences of a metaverse-wide glitch will be for so many commercial companies and organizations hinged on a platform like Decentraland or Sandbox. Imagine JP Morgan having to depend on the security of the sandbox for data related to its millions of customers and assets. The lunar crash should teach us a lesson on this kind of dependence. That said, the development of the metaverse, especially those built on blockchain tech, will lead to enormous utility for the underlying tech, Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, Cardano, etc. On the contrary, the maturity of the metaverse tech could be the death of Sandbox, Decentraland, Bloktopia, and all of their kind. Companies and organizations do not require a third-party platform or pre-existing metaverse. No real company or organization will want to depend on such platforms to schedule upgrades, ensure data security, or fine-tune its features to best serve its unique needs. That is simply unsustainable in the long term. There, however, is a great potential for play-to-earn metaverse projects focused on gaming and in-game NFTs. This will eventually replace legacy gaming, which offer no reward for time spent. Some metaverse projects towing this line are Axie Infinity, Minds of Dalarnia, Netwerk, Illivium, and so many others. Here is a quote from Citibank. One of the biggest use cases for the metaverse will most likely be gaming, and that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum could be the money people use to make transactions in the virtual worlds. Even though we are still invested in Sandbox, Decentraland, and Bloktopia, we see true long-term potentials in play-to-earn metaverse projects with in-game utility for NFTs. This is not financial advice, but looking at the market right now, I am sure you want to be really wise where you place your bets. Thank you guys for watching. Here are the crypts. The metaverse is our only concern.